Okay, I'm back. How did you all like the presentation? I hope you really did like it and learned something. I do have a number of questions here that I am going to take. Uh, okay, I'm just getting to them. I want. Yes, the website again is acestrend.com/elite. It should be right in front of you there. Yes, Jim. I will get to every question if it we have to stay here forever. Okay. Okay, which time frame were you using the examples? I was using the daily charts. All of the charts today were on the daily chart, so that was the time frame. Um, and there are rules to enter when the market is trending down. The rules to enter when the market is trending down would be the same as when it was trending to the upside. So Godfrey asked that question. So essentially, I was just giving the upside example, but when it comes to trading to the short side, it's the same thing. It's the exact same rules. Well, in my instance, it's the exact same rule that I use. How much capital do you have to have in order to trade? Godfrey again. Okay, you can start if you want to trade the signals. You can start with just $1,000 essentially. It just depends what you are comfortable with, and we have folks that start with $1,000 and then they scale up to 5,000, 10, 20, 30, 50, 70. So as they get more confident, they will scale to the upside. Yes, it's right in front. Yes, and non-farm payroll report. Okay, the question is, do I adjust the system for the non-farm payroll report? And the answer essentially is no. I believe the non-farm payroll report is very volatile, but when I was designing the systems, and it just depends on the system that you design, but essentially I ignore the non-farm payroll reports because I do not believe it affects trends. Normally, if a market's in a downtrend, you'll see the non-farm payroll report confirm that trend. If it's in an uptrend, it will confirm that trend more often than not. If it reverses the trend, or sorry, if it goes in the opposite direction of the trend, what you'll normally see is that within a couple of days the market will restart that particular trend. For the risk calculator, it's aces trading. You can write it down. acestrading.com/webinar. acestrading.com/webinar. You can get the risk calculator for free. Benjamin, yes, I do have your application, Benjamin. I saw it coming. I can actually see the applications now as they come in. Yes. Yes, Benjamin, and congratulations. You are one of the two tonight who will get that free one-on-one coaching. And what I can tell you, folks, is that the folks who are in this advanced class right now are learning so much. I mean, the feedback that I'm getting is very, very good because, as I said, it's not a typical forex course. It's not. It's nothing you'll see out there. I can tell you that. I mean, most courses are focused on Fibonacci retracements, etc., etc. For this master's course, we do that in the basic training. So all those Fibonacci extensions, retracements, pivot points, chart patterns, all of that is done in the first part of the course, which is the basic section of the course. And then the advanced class, we go into more into details as to how to make money in the markets, essentially. Okay, what's my prediction for the non-farm payroll report tomorrow? I don't really have any prediction. I mean, on the CNBC and these places love to give analysis and predictions. It's like a football game every first Friday, but it I have no predictions. And to be quite honest, it doesn't really matter to me where the market goes. If the market's in an uptrend and it starts to trend upward, my system will be buying. If it goes down, my system will be selling. So I it doesn't really matter. Do you send the subscribers an alert of the trade you place? Okay, the trades that you get in your account for the forex income system, you'll be able to see it in your account as they occur. You'll also see the stop loss levels and the pending orders. So it's completely transparent. What is this saying? Risk calculator again. Again, acetrading.com/webinar. How many currency pairs do I monitor? Okay, when it depends on your time frame. So if your time frame is 15 minutes, let's say you have a time frame of 15 minutes, it's difficult to monitor 25, 30 currencies, but I essentially position trade. So we're monitoring the 25 to 28 major currency pairs, because not it's not all the time they will be trending. So for example, right now on my watch list, although I'm monitoring 28 currency pairs, on my hot list is about 7 or 8 pairs that I'm looking to enter trades, because other pairs probably are just not the trends are ambiguous, or they're not clear. uh, uh, Another one came in from Godfrey. Why you are giving us coaching for say 90 days when it comes to actual trading? Do we place the trades, or whatever trade you choose is automatically okay for the coaching? It's slightly different, because we will yes, you'll get the trades of the forex income system, but we'll also discuss the trades that I am taking. And the whole point of the coaching is to refine your own method. So we're going to yes, you're going to get the trade sent to your account for the foreign income system. We'll discuss the rationale behind those trades. We'll discuss why we place the stops at certain level, and we'll discuss everything essentially. But in terms of the coaching, the whole point is for you to develop your own methods and your own. Yes, we'll give you a trading system to trade, and I'll give you the parameters of that system. It's a rule-based system, and it's two sheets. Then we'll give you, okay, under circumstances, these circumstances, you enter the trade. Under these circumstances, you enter another trade, because not everyone wants to develop a system for yourself. So I will give you one. It's a part of the coaching program. But as I said earlier in the webinar, with the coaching, it doesn't make sense you have a system when you cannot use it. Just like if if you're not a trained pilot, it doesn't make sense you put you into a 737 and ask you to fly, because you won't know what you're doing. It's the same thing with a training system. Although it may seem fairly simple, if you don't know what you're doing, you won't be successful. Okay, can I get the $97 signals by themselves? The answer is yes. I believe you go on acestrading.com and go to Forex Income System, you can sign up for the $97 signals by themselves. No need to do the coaching. The coaching is for folks who want long term to really learn how to trade the markets and really learn how to 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 multiply their money for the long run. So when you're 64, 63, when you're 70, 73, 74, you'll have a way of earning income via the markets. Because if you start now, then what will happen is that a couple of years you will definitely become an expert and you'll be self-sufficient. It's unfortunate that most folks have 401ks, they have retirement accounts, and they don't know what to do with them. They don't know what stocks to place, what currencies to do. They're completely clueless. And an education in the markets, I believe, is essential for your future earning potential. Yes, acestrading.com/elite. And I must congratulate you all for the ones who have applied. I can guarantee it's a journey you are starting. It's difficult to explain, but it's a journey that you are starting. It's not some slam bam type of thing. It's a real journey, and you at the end of these 60 days, 90 days, you will become a seasoned market professional. And the students who I have in this master's course are absolutely amazing. I have some really good folks, and they're willing to learn. But it's just the first step you have to take. The first step is acestrading.com/elite and leave that $97 refundable deposit. You will speak to me about it. It's not, I don't want anybody to feel intimidated. I remember I was speaking to a student last week, and he said really he was intimidated to speak with me about the coaching. There's nothing to be intimidated about. It's I believe I'm just a normal person who has had some success in the markets, and I can use my knowledge to essentially coach people and also make money for folks via signals. And that's the whole point here of acestrading.com. Our primary goal is to, for folks who don't have the time to trade themselves, we will do the trading for you. And if for those who want to learn, they will get the signal. They will get expert coaching without the BS, essentially. My console, I cannot see. Can you all still hear me? I believe I went blank a little. If you can hear me, just type in Y, please. Jonathan, I hope I did I didn't cancel everyone. Why? Okay, yes, yes. No, there are folks are still on. Folks are still on. Okay, I'm still here. Yes, technology sometimes is very interesting. Yes, it's acestrading.com/elite to apply. And just a note about the final portion of the year. We're in September. And September, when it comes to September, September is definitely the hottest portion of the year. We normally see with the currencies. So you have September to December and December to April. Normally, very good periods for the market. And you're coming on 2016. I can't believe 2015 is already over, but we're ending 2015. We're in September now to 2016. And when best to start trading and when best to start your education rather than right now, because we're starting the hot period of the market right now. I keep telling folks that. And one of the things that I always encounter is when we speak about trades that we're doing and we're capturing some large pips in the markets and some large movements. Folks always write in and said, why I wish I went in 2 months ago. I wish I went in 3 months ago. And that's why in trading and in life, essentially, folks are rewarded for action. The easiest thing that you can do is do nothing, because that, to your mind, that's just very easy. I'm not going to do anything. And you just go along. The folks who actually take action are initiating change. And if you are initiating change, it can be uncomfortable at times. And you just have to just go out and do it. I mean, nothing else I can say. And the folks who are in the program now, they took the action, they did it. And trading is not something mysterious. It's not something that only folks on CNBC talk about and can be successful. Ordinary folks can make money in the markets. It just takes some dedication and it just takes some willingness to learn. Okay, so it's acestrading.com/elite. Okay, so I think either everyone is getting shy or questions are out. We have a number of folks who want the signals. And also just to say, when you sign up for the coaching, you also get a year's worth of the signals. So the signal is $97 a month. That comes up to about 1200 roughly, 11 something. When you do the coaching, you get a year of the signals included in the coaching. So that is another thing that is in the that's in the package. So you won't have to double pay essentially. So it's acestrading.com/elite. I must once again congratulate the action takers, whether you signed up for the signals or you signed up for the coaching. I must congratulate you, and you are starting the journey. You are definitely starting a journey to improving yourself. No, you're Jim said improving my. Well, I do, believe it or not, I do learn from these sessions. I can tell you, because the students out there, they will come, they will have different systems. We will sit down, evaluate the systems, we'll evaluate trade. So I do learn myself. That's the thing with trading and investing, you are always learning. The day you say I know everything is the day you may start losing money in the market. You never know everything, and it's a profession. I have some friends who are pilots, and they go for training every 6 months. They have to get rechecked every 6 months. It's the same thing with any serious profession. You have to spend time and knowledge, spend time on your knowledge aspect of things. In life, there's nothing. You cannot just get something for nothing. And one of the reasons why we said the story in the webinar is because it's good to see the road that someone else took. And so I know a lot of you are hurting with your trading. Yes, we have all been there. It's just a matter of persevering, and it's just a matter of continuing to do what you're doing and acquire the knowledge. That is the best advice I can give you. Okay, acestrading.com/elite. I must congratulate you all once again. And if we have no other questions, I must thank you. I will be on the daily market updates tomorrow, and I may do the recording. No, I do the recording before the non-farm payroll report tomorrow. So we'll kind of preview what is going to happen on the non-farm payroll report. Thank you all for attending. I hope you enjoyed the webinar. To get the risk calculator, is acetrading.com/webinar. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.